Protective jackets and shirts, things like that, you guys think are the best, and give some information to YouTube followers.
Yeah, I mean everything, man. Everything's protected, man.
Well, I personally do like the regular, look like regular shirts, but they got protection in them. You know, if you feel like you wear the same jacket all the time, you're going everywhere to protect yourself. Now you can get you some shirts with pads in them. How much are these?
119.
119.
Sorry, 139.
Protective flannel, your elbow pads, a little bit of spinal protection too. You also got to protect your knees, knee pads. Trying to look like some Balmain jeans, some protective designer jeans. It's important you wear the right protective gear, even though I don't. On the freeway with shorts. Alright, stop it. It's kind of cool too. $239. More like dirt bike style, but I think I could get away with that on a street bike with my Kobe jersey under it. With a jacket, if you hot in the summer up here in the high desert, still can breathe. But I do like to use spinal and chest protectors too. If you fall, I don't have much skin left on your arms. I personally have some heated gloves.